Alright, so this is the van and I'm going to give you a little tour. So this is a Sprinter van that we live in. It's not a minivan like many people assume. And I'm super excited to show you because this is where we live, where we create, and where we get to make change. One of the necessities for a van is that you have a bug screen. Just have to throw that in there because if you want to leave the doors open at night, mosquitoes are a real issue. So now we are inside of the van. Everything in the van is as non-toxic as you can find it. From the paint to the stain to the seal to the wood that was harvested on my husband's family farm, the mattress, everything is non-toxic, and that is so important because this is a small space that you spend a lot of time in and you want it to be able to be a part of your healing journey and just to be a clean space that you can, you know, live freely. A kitchen was a crucial part of the van build since I am a food blogger and a content creator. So this kitchen has everything that your kitchen at home would have. And so we have the oven and the stove, so you can fit a frozen pizza in here. You can bake cookies in there. You can do whatever you need. We have water. While it's not, you know, what you might have in your home kitchen, it's a foot pump sink. So you can pump. It has the shower section on it as well, so that's plenty, and we try to stick to using 5 gallons or less of water each week, which is a great way that we can reduce water and just reduce the waste. We have sliding shelves up here, just keeps everything secure, and we do have some open cabinetry, and all of this stays secure when we're driving. We move over here, again, being a food blogger, this is my pantry. So we have the food, we have the glass mason jars because we don't use plastic in the van. We have some of the brand products that we work with, so this is kind of like a multi-purpose pantry space. Then we have all of the drawers. So these drawers are all self-closing, soft-closing drawers, so you don't have to worry about getting latches, again, cutting back on the waste issue or cutting back on, you know, cheaply made metal items. We eliminated that and we just built wooden tracks and different things like that, as well as the leather handles, which our friend made just by boiling black walnuts, dipping it in there. It's about as non-toxic as it gets. So all around us, if we were to pull off all the wood, and you can see pictures of that in previous posts, we have wool insulation. So plastic, poly, synthetic insulation was not an option for me. So the whole van is double wall insulated with wool, and that keeps it really warm in here. It really does. It keeps heat retention, and it also keeps it cool in here. So the bed is made with wool, our dog's bed is made with wool. Wool is a great option, and we use the company Havelock Wool. They were the cleanest certified New Zealand wool that we could find. They have a lot of animal cruelty regulations. You know, they're making sure that the animals are properly taken care of, and in processing and packaging they use minimal plastic. They have cut back on the plastic waste of their packaging, so again, it's all part of that supply chain.